Good morning, everybody. All right, let me get right to it because we have a lot going on this week. My hat looks all crooked. That's crazy. I don't know how to get it straight. All right, anyway, um, yeah, let's just get to it. So this week you have a couple things due. First off, from last week, I went over that compare and contrast ancient versus modern um, uh, comparison. Those two pieces of artwork. One was Bernini's David, and the other was the Richard Serra sculpture that's out in front of the Fort Worth Modern Art Museum in Fort Worth, Texas. Um, you can, if you watch the video from last week where I introduced these assignments, I kind of talk about those a little bit more in depth, but remember that is due Friday. I also put it under Thursdays, the whole slideshow and worksheet again, just for quick reference for this week. And it's right here where you need to turn that in. And remember, you can turn that in a multitude of different ways. One, you can literally just print out the document and write the answers in and take pictures of it and submit it in Canvas. Or two, you can write them down on a piece of notebook paper, just your answers, take a picture of that, submit it. Or if you can want to, three, download the actual document itself and type in the answers in the field and then submit it as a file as well. So you have, or actually there's a fourth option, or you can just number them and write them in a text field. So you have multiple options and ways that you can get that turned in. So please be sure to do that because we're going to be doing a few more of those throughout the semester. It's just a great practice and habit to get into, and we want to talk about art. So that's one assignment this week. The second assignment is, let me go back here, is how to sketch a rose with our old friend from the cartooning club. So this right here it's this rose right here. Please follow step by step. I don't want you just to look at the picture and draw it at the end. He does a very good job of explaining step by step how to draw things, and I want you to get better at drawing. And in order to do that, you have to go through the process. It's not always about the end result, not when we're learning, not in Art 1. In Art, when you get to Art 3 and Art 4, when we have to have results, absolutely. But it's because you've learned the process. If you never learn the process, you're never going to learn how to draw correctly. So please take your time and do that. As well, I'm now requiring you, when you submit your drawings, you're going to have to hold it up like this with a picture of yourself, okay? I'm having some people who I think are turning in maybe drawings that aren't necessarily theirs. They're not even the right drawing. So obviously you didn't even watch the video when you submitted it, or you just decided to draw your own rose. But I want to see you with in the picture, just so I make sure that I'm getting the work from you, and also you're willing to put your face next to your work for accountability purposes. So please, I want you to guys start doing that. Those are your only two assignments that are actually due this week. But I am later in the week. Check out later if you can, and I'll also be in next week's module. I'm probably going to be out most of the week next week. My wife is having a baby boy, so I'm going to be out for most of next week. So I'm giving you an artist research assignment that you'll be responsible for, and I will explain that more in depth, and that will be for next week. And then two, your other assignment that you'll have due next Friday is, I think this one's kind of fun. Let me go back to modules. Let me get down here real quick. Right here. It's this Vans customization worksheet. Okay, so I basically gave you a template where you can design your own Vans. Now let me put it this way. Probably be best just to start with some doodles just on a piece of paper, whatever, and then come up with those and then transfer those over. This is just a sketch worksheet. This is not the final worksheet. I'm going to give you a 2-page document, one that you have to explain why you chose what you did and kind of why you did it. That's what we like to do in art, just because I want you to be able to talk about your work. But also, here's the twist. I think this is kind of cool, so I hope you guys like it. I'm going to be selecting the class will be voting on the top 2 custom Vans from every class. And then I will pick a third one from every class, which will make it a wild card. I have 7 different art classes, so that will give us, what's 3 times 7? 21 different sets of this basically packet of worksheets. I will then give those to the Art 4 class. Out of those 21, they will pick their favorite. That favorite, I'm going to purchase a pair of those Vans and give them to the student who won the competition. So basically you'll get to design your own shoes. You get a free pair of shoes out of it if you do it. I might even buy a pair for myself. I'm not sure yet. if my wife will let me spend that much money, because the custom vans are a little bit more expensive than regular vans. But I think it's cool. So if you win, you'll get to have your own pair of vans that you designed, which I think is totally rad. Now the next question, or the next thing is I don't know, if I can get funding, I might be able to maybe do the top 2 winners. But I'm not going to be able to afford a whole bunch of pairs of these. But I'd like to make it worth your while, know your time, that you actually have a chance of winning something physical and tangible out of this. So, in saying all that, please give me your best effort. Try your best. And that's about all I have, guys. So really, just those rumors, those 2 assignments, the compare and contrast and the rows. But then also get started on this Vans worksheet, because that'll be due the following Friday. Also, there's a little quick video about Jay Howe, who's a Vans artist, and talks kind of about this customization process a little bit. But y'all have a great week. I can't wait to see you guys in class, or if you're on my Zoom, remember, or not Zoom, but if you're a sales student, remember I have my sale meeting times. I know a couple people have tried to log in when it's not my meeting times. Check out my meeting times in my Canvas course. And like I said, I'll be a little bit out of touch next week because I will be home with a brand new baby. So I hope all y'all have a great week. I hope you had a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys soon.